A man gifts, it's just a fact. And the gifting is an art, a timeless tradition that transcends generations, cultures, and occasions. For men, the act of gift-giving can be both a source of joy and a source of confusion. Whether you're a young man just starting out or a seasoned gent with a busy life, understanding the nuances of gift-giving can make all the difference. Budgeting for gifts. A common dilemma for men is determining the appropriate amount to spend on a gift. The key lies in striking a balance between affordability and thoughtfulness. As a general rule, consider allocating a portion of your monthly salary towards gifting. For young men just starting out, a percentage between 5 and 10% is a reasonable benchmark. For mature men with a more established budget, a percentage between 15 and 20% is a suitable range. Choosing the right occasion. While gifting is often associated with special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays, it's also a gesture of appreciation and affection that can be extended anytime. Expressing gratitude for a favor, acknowledging a milestone, or simply showing someone you care can be enhanced with a thoughtful gift. Consider the people who matter most to you, whether it's your partner, family members, close friends, or colleagues. For the last group, holidays and personal milestones also provide opportunities to show your care through thoughtful gifts. Understanding the recipient. The true essence of gifting lies in understanding the recipient's interests, hobbies, and preferences. Engage in conversations, observe their choices, and try to decipher their unspoken desires. Usually, you have a whole year to understand what gift would align with their passions will undoubtedly bring a smile to their face. If they're an avid outdoorsman, consider a camping gear upgrade or a subscription to an outdoor magazine. For the bookworm, a signed copy of their favorite author's new release could be a treasure. Gifting when they say they want nothing. It's not uncommon to encounter someone who insists they want nothing for themselves. However, the act of gifting is not solely about material possessions or gifting something that is needed. It's about the gesture of thoughtfulness and the expression of care. A small token, a personalized gift, or an experience that aligns with their interests can still convey your appreciation and attentiveness. Escaping the blank slate. If you find yourself drawing a blank, consider personalized gifts that reflect special moments or shared experiences. A custom-made photo album, a framed piece of artwork commemorating a shared adventure, or a thoughtful letter expressing your gratitude can be deeply meaningful. Keeping track of occasions. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, leading to missed anniversaries, birthdays, and special occasions. To avoid such mishaps, utilize calendars, reminders, or even digital tools to stay organized. Marking important dates ensures that you never forget those special moments. Gifting as a gentleman. Remember, gifting is not about impressing with extravagance. It's about demonstrating your thoughtfulness, generosity, and care. A gift wrapped with care, accompanied by a heartfelt message, carries far more meaning than any expensive trinket. And if you are looking for something for yourself, check out our guide on how to find your signature fragrance as a man. We explain in detail all the aspects of how to get the most out of your perfume. Hope to see you next time.